4 to 6 are so cute. They've been dancing since September. First time on stage, maybe the third time on stage, huh? Since Saturday. This one piece is entitled Oteya Tamari'i, which means the little children. They want to get this over with because they want to watch the Warriors game. They want to get out of here. Oteya Tamari'i, Emwa. And then we teach our children poise and stage presence. Even though that stage is hot and burning, they got to keep smiling. Hey! Hi! Maha! Isn't that beautiful? So professional.